What's up people, it's Paul here. Now we have been hearing a lot about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Note 20 series. Most of the leaks have come from CEO of display chain consultant Mr. Ross Young, who's been tweeting the information about the upcoming flagship series. So stick to the end because I'm gonna let you know all the things related to Samsung Galaxy Note 20 series, even the 120Hz display, LPTO display, SoCs, battery, new fingerprint sensor, almost everything. If you guys visited this channel for the first time, so hit that red color subscribe button because I upload videos about the latest tech updates and even more that like stuff. So subscribe the channel. Samsung previously confirmed that it will launch the new Galaxy Note smartphone later this year. Samsung S20 series just boomed the market last year, and according to me, the Galaxy S20 Ultra is the best Android phone till this date. Now, as we see around the stats of selling phones last year in a premium flagship phones, iPhone XR, iPhone 11 runs the market. But after that, that's just the Samsung who gives some competition. Meanwhile to that, Samsung had sold A series and S series more last year. So my point is, Samsung is the second largest company in terms of selling a premium flagship handset. Heading to the leaks of Galaxy Note 20, so in an exclusive interview with YouTube channel Greggles TV, Mr. Young has out more details about the Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Plus. During the conversation, he firstly told about the newly Qualcomm's second gen 3D Sonic Max fingerprint reader. The large ultrasonic fingerprint sensor was introduced back in December during Samsung Galaxy S10 and Note 10 phones. But this sensor didn't work well compared to its poorly performing predecessor. But this time the Max is on the another level. Qualcomm states that it will deliver a recognition area that is 7 times bigger than the previous generation. The 3D Sonic Max was expected to launch in Galaxy S20 lineup but didn't make that cut. Heading towards the camera, Young goes on to say that Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Plus will have the same selfie camera position as the Note 10 series had. That means there will be punch hole display at the center of the screen. Further, he revealed about the display specifications of Note 20 series. According to Young, there will be two flagship smartphones, Galaxy S20 and S20 Plus. The standard Galaxy S20 will feature a 6.42-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate panel and 1084 into 2345 pixel resolution. The screen with a pixel density of 404 ppi and 19.5 by 9 aspect ratio will use LTPO. Basically, LTPO is an OLED display which supports backplane technology, which is developed by the Apple. Apple introduced its first LTPO display with the Apple Watch Series 4. LTPO is applicable for both OLED and LCD displays, but this technology is high-end OLED displays. This could lead to a power saving of around 5 to 15% compared to other backplane technology. Young also revealed about the display specs of the bigger Note 20 Plus. This top-end phone features a slight bigger display than Note 20. It features up to massive 6.87 inches LTPO screen with an AMOLED panel. It will also support for 120Hz refresh rate. Now the SoCs. Samsung's gonna launch Galaxy Note 20 with the Snapdragon 865 in US, Europe, Japan and in China, and Exynos 990 SoC in other countries. Samsung looks sad because Ross Young explains that the Samsung will equip both entry-level smartphones with the RAM of 16GB as a standard model. The Galaxy S20 Ultra does come with a 16GB, but it costs $1,400, so you are looking at a big cost saving phone. Furthermore, he told about the LPDDR5 RAM modules, which makes it even more superior. Adding to that, he told that there will be 4000 to 5000 mAh battery. The expected launch of Galaxy Note 20 can be in the month of August. So what do you think about the phone? Which is the feature that makes you even more eager to buy this phone? And what can be the pricing of it? Let me know in the comments. And yes, you can give suggestion for the channel as well. Feel free in the comments. Lastly, me Paul signing off. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.